Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode of One Trip at a Time. Today, we are exploring the magical world of Shanghai Disneyland, the first Disney park in mainland China. Come along as we walk through the park and experience the attractions and all the little details that make this a must-see destination. Tara, let's go! As soon as we enter, we are welcomed by Mickey Avenue. This colorful street is filled with Disney shops, restaurants, cheerful music, and familiar characters, making this the perfect place to begin our Disney adventure. We can take our time here to soak in the excitement before heading deeper into the park. The second themed zone is the Gardens of Imagination. It is a beautifully landscaped area with gardens, sculptures, water features, and amazing views of the enchanted Storybook Castle. And here it is. This centerpiece stands as the tallest and largest Disney castle in the world. Let's then look at the rides in this zone. First is Dumbo the Flying Elephant. This is an aerial carousel style ride based on Disney's 1941 animated film Dumbo. This ride is considered a fun, nostalgic, and charming experience, especially for families. Then there's Fantasia Carousel. This is a beautifully decorated merry-go-round inspired by Disney's Fantasia. Vibrant and colorful, it is one of the most Instagrammable spots in the park. Next, we're heading into the third zone, Tomorrowland. This zone is where futuristic technology meets high-speed adventures. Tomorrowland is heavily anchored by its main attraction, Tron Light Cycle Power Run. Based on the Tron movies, this was the first of its kind in any Disney park. Here, you walk through a high-tech building where you are transported into the grid. You will mount individual two-wheeled light cycles and then be launched forward at 80 kilometers per hour towards the outdoor section before plunging back into the indoor grid. The second attraction is the Pixar Adventurous Journey, which is housed inside the Tomorrowland Pavilion. This is an immersive walkthrough exhibition where you will be guided through 7 zones inspired by beloved Pixar films: Inside Out, Monsters Inc., Finding Nemo, Turning Red, Coco, Up, and Soul. The exhibition blends dynamic lighting, audio, and life-sized sets that allow you to interact with iconic scenes and characters. Next up is Buzz Lightyear Planet Rescue, Shanghai's upgraded version of the classic Buzz Lightyear attraction. This is an interactive dark shooting ride where you will pilot a Star Alliance spacecraft and use handheld laser blasters to shoot at targets to defeat Emperor Zurg. Right next door is the Space Chat with Stitch. You will enter a control room to track Stitch across the galaxy and converse with Experiment 626 via satellite video link. The attraction features unscripted, real-time digital puppetry, allowing you and the audience to talk, tell jokes, and play games directly with Stitch. And lastly, there's Jetpacks. This family-friendly ride lets you board your very own jetpack and soar high above Tomorrowland. You can even control how high you fly using the controls on your vehicle. It's a fun experience for all ages and offers some amazing views of the futuristic landscape around. Welcome to the Toy Story Land, the park's fourth themed zone. Here, you will feel like you have been magically shrunk down to the size of a toy. Everywhere you look, you will see giant building blocks, oversized game pieces, colorful decorations, and your favorite Toy Story characters. As for the rides, Our first stop is Woody's Roundup. This is a family-friendly whip-style spinning ride. You hop on colorful wagons that is pulled by Bullseye as you spin along upbeat country music. It's a classic ride that's gentle enough but still lots of fun for everyone. Next is Rex Racer. This thrilling ride sends you racing back and forth on a giant U-shaped track. As you swing higher and higher, you will experience moments of weightlessness before rushing back down. It's exciting, fast, and perfect if you're looking for a fun adrenaline rush. And here's Slinky Dog Spin. This is a caterpillar-style ride similar to the ones in Hong Kong Disneyland and Disneyland Paris. You will ride trains that are connected end to end, traveling in a loop around a dog bowl filled with rubber bones and Andy's baseball. It builds up just enough speed to provide a mild thrill for everyone. Next, we're exploring one of the most enchanting places in Shanghai Disneyland, Fantasyland. Home to fairy tales and magical adventures, this is the largest Fantasyland in any Disney park around the world. For the rides here, let's first fly to Neverland with Peter Pan's Flight. Peter Pan's Flight is a rail-suspended dark ride. You will board a pirate ship flying high above the nighttime rooftops of London, then head off to various iconic sites of Neverland and watch Peter Pan duel with Captain Hook before returning to the city. Next is one of Fantasyland's hidden gem, the Evergreen Playhouse. This beautiful theater is home to Frozen, a sing-along celebration. You can join Anna, Elsa, and the rest of the crew as they retell the story of Frozen with live performances, including singing along to your favorites, Let It Go, and Do You Want to Build a Snowman? Now we're entering the 100-Acre Wood to experience the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh. This adorable dark ride follows Pooh, Piglet, Tigger, and friends through colorful storybook scenes. It's cute, relaxing, and perfect for families. Right next door is Honey Pot Spin. This is a classic spinning teacup ride, but instead of teacups, you will ride giant honey pots. You control how much your pot spins, so it can be gentle or absolutely wild. And there's the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. This roller coaster is easily one of Fantasyland's most popular attractions. It combines family-friendly thrills with great storytelling. You will race through the diamond mines before meeting Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Next up is Voyage to the Crystal Grotto. This relaxing boat ride will take you around the lagoon and underneath the castle, passing scenes from Tangled, Beauty and the Beast, Aladdin, Mulan, Fantasia, and The Little Mermaid. We are now at Zootopia, the world's first Disney zone inspired by the hit animated film. This zone features only one ride, the Zootopia Hot Pursuit. This dark ride lets you join Officer Judy Hopps and Nick Wilde on a fast-paced adventure through the city to catch escaped criminals. This is definitely one of the most fun rides in any theme parks around the world. We then arrive at Treasure Cove, a zone entirely dedicated to Pirates of the Caribbean. Of course, the main attraction here is Pirates of the Caribbean: Battle for the Sunken Treasure. This isn't your typical boat ride. It is considered one of the most technologically advanced and thrilling dark rides in any Disney park globally. Using incredible projection technology, massive sets, and lifelike animatronics, you will join Captain Jack Sparrow on an unforgettable underwater adventure. We loved it, and we actually decided to ride it back to back, even with a queue. Next is Siren's Revenge. This is an interactive shipwreck play area and walkthrough. You can freely explore the three-story pirate ship, which features secret hideouts and hands-on pirate games. Our final stop is the Adventure Isle. This zone feels like stepping into an ancient tropical jungle. One of the signature attractions here is Soaring Over the Horizon. This is a flight simulator ride where you will enter a temple of a local tribe that worships the Condor God. Their shaman will grant you the ability to fly and takes you on a flight around the world. The second ride here is Roaring Rapids. This is a river raft ride attraction. It features dramatic drops, dark caverns, and an encounter with the beast Karak. Last but definitely not the least is Camp Discovery. Designed around an adventure's base camp, it offers rope climbing courses, an ancient relic excavation site, and scenic ground level trails. And as the night deepens, the entire park transforms. The lights come alive, the castle glows beautifully, and the atmosphere becomes even more magical. If you are staying until the evening, don't miss the spectacular nighttime castle show called Illuminate, which features projections, fountains, lasers, music, and fireworks. It is the perfect ending to a magical day at Shanghai Disneyland. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more travel adventures. Thanks so much for watching. Until then, let's keep exploring the world one trip at a time.